My name is Brad Hall. Very excited about this one. Right in front of me, the Adidas ZX 4000 4D. I've been looking forward to this shoe for quite some time now. They were rumored to come out last fall. They didn't. So I was chomping at the bit to get my hands on this pair. I got lucky at St. Alfred in Chicago on a raffle, and it made me a very, very happy man. I love the way this shoe mixes the old and new. Really nice details on this one. The little bits of stitching makes it look homemade, which that's a really nice touch. It's breathable, it's sock-like, should be pretty comfortable. So many pale colors on this, and I like that. It's got that springtime feel to it. Now the elephant in the room, something that I haven't talked about that needs to be talked about right now. That's that 4D midsole. I am completely in love with the way this looks, that lattice work. I've already made 2 videos about that 4D midsole. One where I looked at that durability, the other where I compared the comfort to Boost. So I've already tackled a bunch of great questions about 4D. Today, I'm gonna tackle another question. How do you clean 4D? It's got all these crevasses. Things can hide in there. So today, I'm gonna show you the best way to clean that 4D. Now we're gonna do a few different cleaning methods today, and to make that mess, just yesterday I was having some chili with cornbread. I made a mess with that cornbread. There were crumbs everywhere, and that's bad when you're dealing with that kind of midsole. So I'm gonna put some crumbs on there. Just gonna simulate what it's like if I ate over these shoes. Just a little sprinkling. So now we've got our crumbs on. Method number 1, the blow and shake method. Just about as good as new. Moving on to the next method, we're gonna re-add those crumbs, just a realistic amount. There we go. Now I'll be using a Tweezerman brand tweezer, some of the sharpest tweezers around. I should be able to get those crumbs out, but let's see right now. Notice how easily it removes the bigger crumbs. You can almost just kind of knock those off. And now go in and pick off the smaller crumbs. There's something so satisfying about cleaning crumbs out of the midsole of a shoe. Let's add a few more crumbs. Now let's see how a vacuum performs. That did a really nice job. I can see already it got most of those crumbs. Maybe a couple crumbs left deep inside, but I can go back in with the tweezers. So overall, vacuum, highly recommended. Now let's add a few more crumbs for our last test. Just get a few more on there. And now for this last method, the straw method, we're gonna suck the crumbs out, see if that works. It does get the crumbs out. I used my tongue to block that one from hitting the back of my throat. So I did get to eat that one. And that just confirms straw method. That is a giant success. So today I set out to answer the question, how do you clean that 4D midsole? And I answered it. There are a variety of ways. Pick and choose, mix and match, and good luck everyone on keeping that 4D clean.